Set the context. For payment gateway integration, I will go through the several phases. First phase, I will show the whatever the platform things need to set up. I'll show it to that thing. After that, I will demo the like quick demo to demonstrate the how payment gateway is working. After that, I will show the high level architecture, end to end, front end to back end, everything. After that, I will show the front end code and back end code. After that, I will also show the debugging mode to how we can debug and take the logs and check the payment related details. I will share my screen. Is it visible my screen?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Actually, I am presently using my Cashify account, Cashify account. For this account, Saikiran and GR, this is for you. Any payment gateway, not only Cashify, JustPay, Razorpay, Zoho Pay, any payment gateway needs a business PAN card and business details to create the account and
Okay.
utilize the payment gateway services.
Hmm.
I gave the my personal dummy things to establish the account in Cashify. In Razorpay also I gave the permission, but Razorpay not give the UPI intent mode to me, so that's what I'm not showing that. Any gateway, every gateway is working the same thing, only the properties only changed. Remaining everything is changed. Same. Remaining everything is same. I think presently it is not showing whatever the company I registered, the details. Okay. Presently it's not showing, but initially it's showing all like uploading the business PAN and also business details and company name. After that, it will show like this only. After submitting the all documents, it will take 30 to 40 minutes to activate our account. Like payment gateway, payment links, payment forms, these are the general services provide all payment gateways. I will show the payment gateway thing. Our scenario, we are integrating the payment gateway, right?
Yeah.
For panel side, we need to generate keys. This is in Cashify payment gateway. It is navigating in developer section. In other payment gateway also providing the developer section in different UI. But same thing they are provided, like app ID, security key. If it is not there in here, we can able to generate API keys. This is for fraud. I already generated and saved in my local, like for 877 864. 632042. Yeah, we can able to download the keys and save it in somewhere. It is in a CSV format. By through these app ID, secret key, we can able to do the all sorry, all transactions, orders and payments. Majorly in payment gateway, we are focusing into orders and payments. This is the combination to done all payment related uh, all payment related links done through the orders. First we need to order the uh, order the any product or any subscriptions or anything, order an item. After that, by through order ID we can make the payment. Order is generated from backend side and payments done through by front end side UI. That front end and backend both are communicating with the SDK. Saikiran and GR, is there any doubt in this for panel configuration thing?
I think it's clear.
Yeah, sorry, one thing I missed. We have a separate keys for test mode.
Okay.
So we also need to set up test mode app ID and server keys. In this demo, I'll use these things. Test mode.
Okay.
And everything is same. Only the keys only changed. In test mode, we have a different keys, and prod mode, we have a different keys.
Hmm.
Yeah, we are already set up in our projects through the .env files. We can able to auto deployment prod or test. It will automatically configure with the keys. So we can use these keys in a .env files. GR and Saikiran, this is done by through you people and hand over to the app ID and the secret IDs to the backend team only. Don't
Yes.
integrate with the front end these keys. If it is exposed these keys, we can easily able to like uh, uh, like any we can able to access the all payments and do the transaction illegally. So make sure these keys are very important. Is there any doubt, Saikiran or GR?
We are clear.
Good.
Yeah. Then after I will go through with the demo.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I'll just created a one small dummy application by manually passing the whatever the payment gateway need details. But in our scenario, I think we have a direct access to select the plan and do your payment. Only single button is shown in our platform, right? This customer ID, like in our scenario, user ID and all of those things need to put in front end side and requested a API call from backend, and backend only the responsible to the generating order and check the order. Only in front end side do the payment only, and I will provide the backend side generating order code and verifying the order code. But I am not mentioned any DB code in here, but I commented what what can we need to store in our DB side, and what can we need to check retrieving or verifying the payment. I will go through with that in detail in code overview. Because of only one thing, I don't know the domain, what architecture we are followed for DB side, domain driven or data driven. That's why I'm not including any query related things. Only I included SDK code things. Yeah, presently I'm doing the demo. Before that, where is this? This is my cache file. I will switch into test mode. Presently, today I have not done any payments. So, this is empty. My front end is running up. My backend is also listening a port number 5000 and localhost. It is already configured with the front end integration. Let's say like customer ID is a 55, name Sai Kiran, and email Kiran at the rate of, and don't email don't should be to put the dummy, because of this email should be triggered after the payment with the invoice. And amount, I'll say it as a basic, and whenever I click the payment, it will be requested to the backend to do generate a order and give me the order session, and after through that order session in front end payment gateway SDK will be do the payment job and sorry, request to the backend the payment is done and verify that payment through the user ID, and after the verification of backend, and it will be updated in DB. See, before order is already created, I will show. After that only the payment page will be shown. See, order is empty. See, order is generated in test mode. It will generate 2 orders because of it is a React common behavior. In it will run 2 times, but in prod it will generate only one payment ID. This is the order ID. It is not shared with the front end. It will only generate the session. So initially the order is active state. See, active state. It is active state and providing the all details. Whatever the details are, I provided. Can anyone do the payment? Don't worry, it is not charge anything. It is in a test mode. I'll just why I am not doing, because of I can't able to share my mobile screen, so that's why anyone open the phone pay or anything and do the payment. In test environment, it will redirect to the browser and ask me the test OTP 111 and we can check the success and click the proceed. It will automatically capture the payment.
I have done it.
Yeah, see, the payment is done, right? See, after that payment is successful, payment is finished, check status. In front end side, in demo I will show this thing, but in real time it will be need to redirect it to dedicated page, like payment details or whatever we need to do, that page will be shown. This is the like a demo or a demo of the payment gateway. Is there any doubts?
No, not very clear.
No, sorry.
No, it is
Yeah,
clear.
thank you. Then can I go to explain the high level overview?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'll maximum try to make a simple. But if anyone any doubt, anytime will be in middle of explanation. You can ask me, because of it is a like some confused maybe creating some steps. That's why I'm mentioning on middle. I'll try to make the high level overview and detail overview, both the things. Whatever the previously we have done the demo internally and externally, each step by step included in the architecture and also documented. Like is this need to go through the document, or I'll just show the and show and explain the high level overview?
Yeah, you can explain me with this use case diagram.
Yeah, thank you, Naveen. Yeah, first initial step, whatever we see in the demo, first this is the page, right? That is front end. Front end initially request the order to backend. In this there is any integration is needed. There is no integration needed. It just ask a backend to, hey, generate a payment, I'll give the generate a order, I'll give the order details. Like user ID, it is a major thing. User ID or any majorly we use the user ID. Through user ID we can track the all payment related things. In my scenario, in test demo app scenario, I created create payment request, post request to the backend. So that's why I mention same nomenclature. Create payment request. I'll provide the user data, subscription details, amount, and currency details. Whenever it reach that request to the backend, first backend ask to the payment gateway SDK, like hey, payment gateway SDK, I have a request from the user to create order with the details. Payment gateway SDK will do the all things, whatever the whatever the order related thing needs to done, it will be do the all things, and it will create the one session ID, order ID, and give it to back to the backend. And backend, after that we need to store that order details with the status of active. That will be provided payment gateway, because of then only we can able to track, right? So that's what we need to store the DB and return to the session ID only, without any order ID and the order details and everything. We don't need to provide provide everything. We need to just give it back to the front end with the session ID, order session ID. Through that session, it will be trigger the payment gateway SDK UI. Like we are seeing after the clicking pay now, it will show the one pop-up, right? That is provided payment gateway SDK. Through that session ID, it will ask to the payment gateway and done everything related to the payment, and whatever the payment mode we are selected, and like it is accepting debit card, credit card, UPI payment intent, and also whatever the configuration we are done through the panel, that everything will be shown here. Through that we populate the payment. After returning that payment status, success or fail, anything, we need to update with the backend, right? Because of order is active, but we need whether the order is completed like fulfilled or rejected. We need to update with the thing, right? Why? Because in here whatever the payment gateway is done, it will automatically updated in panel, but we need to update in a DB also. So that's what, after payment done, we requested to backend verify payment. See here, after the payment done, verify
So,
payment through the user ID, whatever
Sai,
the
what,
user. Yeah, GR.
what happens if there is any failure or anything in this overall flow?
In overall flow, for example, in payment mode, we are forcefully stop, it will
Hmm.
automatically updated in panel with the failed status. Here it
Okay.
is activated, right? I'll
Yeah.
show the failed status also.
Okay. Right. Go ahead.
If it is continued, it will be updated in DB also, failed status. But we forcefully close this, we can't able to update in DB, right?
Right.
For those, we need to create Karn jobs.
Okay.
So that is another thing. We can consequences we cover later, GR.
Okay. So error handling. Have you done anything with respect to
Yes,
error?
yeah, yes. Error handling and everything is done.
Already done.
Yeah,
Perfect.
everything is done, GR.
And what is the repository? You did it in.
I'll give the entire code, GR,
Okay.
front
Right.
end
Yeah.
and back end
You
code.
just write a mail or whatever with all the details. Or
Yeah,
if you
yes,
can create
yes,
a
GR.
Google Doc, is also good.
Yes, GR. I will after
Share
the
that.
high level architecture, I will show the step by step in front end side integration and back end side integration. What will be need to do in back end side, and what will be need to the dependent APIs. We also, after the payment, we need a subscription tracker thing and all of those things, right? Whenever
Okay.
the user is login, whether he is a subscribed person or not,
Hmm.
those things I'm not providing, but that is also needed. That API is also needed. I mentioned that dependent APIs.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show it. I'll show it in a record. It will be clear whenever I'll show the code. That time it will be clear.
Go ahead.
Here it is only the payment related thing, like where I left, like in here, payment thing, is it done or closed, anything? We need to update with the DB, right? So that's what we request to verify payment. We don't have any order ID here. Because of the security, we are not passing any order ID to the front end. We only way of communication through the user ID only. So that's what verify payment also send the user ID. Whenever through verify payment API backend, whenever receive the user ID, it will be get the in previously we are stored that user ID with the order status active, right? We can get that data, and on that we take the order ID and request it to the SDK, give me the status. It will be give, if it is a like a payment is success, it will, the status is paid. See, I will show in payments. If the payment is success, right here,
Hmm.
the order status is active, right, before, but now it is paid after the payment done. So this will be give the that payment order details. By the status, we need to update with the DB. If it is fail, or if it is rejected, or it is cancelled, anything, it will need to update in DB and returning to the front end. It will be automatically redirected to any related page. We can directly navigate to that pages. This is the complete payment related architecture, high level architecture, and this is the complete step by step architecture. What will be the going to each step. when we are hitting this button to when we done the reload and redirected to the another page. Every single step is in this flow. And also I included what are the things done in a panel. These the things are done in a panel, like any gateway panel should be done these the steps. Is there any doubt?
No, sorry.
No.
Can I go with the code walkthrough?
Yeah.
Yeah, first I will start with the front end. See, front end, Manas, can you focus on this?
Mm-hmm.
We are already ENV, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to take any information from the payment gateway, like session IDs, all of those things. We need only payment gateway mode, sandbox.
Okay.
This is for dev, and this is for production.
Mm-hmm.
These only we need to set up.
Okay.
And we have a two APIs. These thing I need you are aware of these things, form thing,
Mm-hmm.
like whatever the things customer ID and everything. We just take the details. In our scenario, like we can able to select the product, right? Basic plan. I don't know exact scenario in plans. I assumed like basic plan, advanced plan, medium plan.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever we created a user and created the profile, after that we reached out to the plan selection. We select that plan and hit the pay now, right?
Mm-hmm.
In demo app, I'm just where it is. Yeah, in demo app I just populated the values, right?
Yes.
But in our product we don't need to populate these details. The customer ID in our scenario, it is a user ID. Whenever we logged in, that time it will be given from the backend team, right?
Yes.
Through that, and customer name also given from the profile details, right? Email, phone number. Only the amount based on the plan we can describe the amount, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe this is also coming from the backend team, plan details. Or else whatever the product team give the basic plan this thing, advanced plan this thing, we can populate that values in that field, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the front end UI. I'll just show the what API it will be hit. Manas,
Mm-hmm.
whenever we click the pay now button, handle submit will call. See, this one will call. In here, first what we need to do the order, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like I will configure the everything, right? Whatever the cart items, like in our scenario, it is a basic plan.
Mm-hmm.
Amount, currency details, and customer details. These are all populated and sent to the request to the backend team. Hey, I have a plan request to the user. Can you do a order and give me the payment session? Here it is done. So do the order. It is a simple API call. In here we are just send the payload with the details like plan, cart, order amount, or order currency. And Manas, remember this, whatever the final order thing, these
Mm-hmm.
object properties should be the same. Order
Okay.
amount, order currency, order details, customer ID, customer name. Don't in front end and back end, both the side, don't change these properties, basic properties. These properties provide payment gateway. In different
Okay.
in cache free, it is a this nomenclature is following. In Razorpay, maybe different like properties nomenclature will be followed. Those the things only changed, but everything remaining, everything is the same.
Okay.
In whenever we request through the API will be create payment request. I created in demo side, but backend team will be re-architect to the API nomenclatures and schema things, because of it will should be aligned with the current schema, right?
Hmm.
So whenever we hit this create payment request, it will give the payment sessions,
Hmm.
Manas.
There you get the session ID.
Yeah, in see order response, payment session ID.
Mm-hmm.
So now we are the whenever we are getting the payment session, then we need to do the payment from the SDK, right?
Hmm.
In front end, cache free provide the this SDK,
Acha.
cachefree.js, this one, whatever the here whatever the pop-up is coming, right?
Mm-hmm.
That thing configured through the panel.
Okay.
Colors, names, icons, styles, forms, and also fonts, everything done through the panel only. We can't able to do anything on that whatever the pop-up is coming, right? Payment thing.
Mm-hmm. I understand. Okay.
That thing won't we can't able to change
Mm-hmm.
in code level. See, here is the payment mode, right? This is the
Mm.
configuration we need to provide set cache free SDK. Initially, I set the configuration, right? Load payment mode.
Mm.
It will be the sandbox for testing mode. For
Okay.
production mode, it is a production.
Mm-hmm.
Then open checkout functionality through the payment session. It will be give the checkout page that should be take care of the cache free SDK, right? This one,
Okay.
whatever
We need
the
to pass only session ID.
whatever the configuration we made here, right? This
Yes.
one, and set to the cache free. Here is the variable, right?
Mm-hmm.
Use state and set the cache free, and use that SDK through the cache free variable.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
If we have a cache free SDK, see here I also error validation also done. If cache free SDK is not initialized, throw the error. If
Okay.
if it is available, we just give to that checkout page, I need a cache free, give me the checkout page. This is the session ID, and redirect target will be the underscore model, right? Why? Because we are need to show the model here,
Mm-hmm.
or also we can able to redirect some full page. You know about the underscore blank page, right?
I understand.
It will be go to the same page will be shown, whatever the pop-up will be it is showing, that thing showing in a new page,
Mm.
and all the payment is done and redirected to the same page. It will be more complex to the model, so that's why I'm including the model only. It will be modern and easy to integrate and error prone.
Okay. Suppose I
Yeah.
from this payment method, if I failed one payment, but that time how it is refund?
uh, Payment
Like
is
suppose
done,
I
it is not updated in the
payment,
DB, right?
it is not updated in DB. Then how it can like refund that
Yeah,
process?
everything in like everything in tracking in a payments and orders section in the panel.
Acha,
If we,
acha. Here we have an option refund.
yeah, refund. If we need
Okay.
to do the like any refunds through the programming,
Mm-hmm.
we have a different hooks that should be do the APIs from the backend side.
Acha.
Any refunds or any partial refunds, any payment rejections, manually we can able to do the panel through.
Okay. And suppose in the pop-up
Yeah,
payment that time, if it is failed, then like the error is coming from that functions only, right? This
yeah,
payment.
yes. Error is
Okay.
coming from here only. If we forcefully close this, it will be coming like, see here it is a, see this is the cache free SDK checkout page. It is giving the checkout page, right?
Mm-hmm.
In result capture the all the checkout page thing, whatever the, if
Okay.
it is the success thing, it will give the success. If it is the error thing, it will give the error. See, I handled that error thing also. Pop-up
Mm-hmm.
closed or error. See,
Okay, now it is clear. Okay.
if pop-up closed or error, any error, I'll track the all errors here. If we
Mm-hmm.
need to track any specific track, we can able to like switch result dot as error code, and
Mm-hmm.
we can
Got
able
it.
to generate the, you are already now about this function,
I
right? It
understand.
is
I understand.
normal general
General thing.
programming scenario. We
Mm-hmm.
can handle of those things. If it is a payment details is success,
Mm-hmm.
then what we need to do, here I comment out, after the payment done we need to verify success payment. It is a success payment through from the front end side, right? We need
Mm-hmm.
to inform, hey backend, or whatever the order you gave to me, I'll successfully completed, or I'll failed
Okay.
that thing, and
Okay. Here
to
I have a
update.
question.
Yeah, tell
Okay.
me.
Here we are passing for verify also passing that session ID or user
No,
ID?
user ID.
User
Session
ID.
ID only for we are doing the payment.
Okay.
Through the session ID, we can able to interact the cache free gateway and do the order fulfilled.
Okay. So in
Whatever
response we are
the
get user ID also.
sorry, Manas.
Like the first, like after payment is success, we are get some response, right, in the
Yes,
API.
yes.
So here we can get the user ID, right?
Yeah, user ID
So
also we can able to get.
that user ID will directly pass to the verify payment.
Verify success payment.
Huh.
That is
Yes.
also I already wrote the code, entire code.
It
You
is
can go
clear.
through with this. It is a in front end side. It is a
It
clear
is
cut,
clear. It is clear.
only the doing the API request only, Manas.
Hmm.
One API call is the post API, one is the get API.
It is
That is the
clear my
only.
side.
That is a, there is no complication in front end side. We have only handled if else conditions only.
I understand. It is clear.
What the major thing is need to do in front end side after the payment, in some time over the other user login and other things are done, after the some time whenever we logged in,
Mm-hmm.
that time we need to get the payment details, right?
Hmm.
That should be need to take care of you.
Okay.
Need to get the payment details, whether the user is presently that thing, that API is not ready. You can ask to backend after the all payment related thing, APIs are done. After you can ask that thing and get the plan details, like whether that
Based on
user
this
has
plan, we have access.
whether that user has uh, like basic basic user or a premium user
Mm-hmm.
or advanced user, and through that, based on that, you can provide the services, which services are need to hide, which services are need to show,
Mm-hmm. I understand.
and
Okay.
that should be protected, right? In routes, you aware of thing, right? Protected routes,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
we need to completely configure that thing. If otherwise we can able to directly go to the URL and like slash
I know.
premium user futures or he knows the URL, right?
I know. I
He can
create a
go through the
function and protect that thing.
URL and enjoy the premium thing. Anyway, in backend side, they are maintaining the middleware. Still, we need to restrict some
We
of
need to
the
restrict front-end side as well.
yeah.
I can do that. Okay.
Backend side, we have a middleware. I also explained that thing. We need to maintain the protected route, like plans middleware or anything. You guys are decided, and name it that, and whatever the protected routes will be hidden from the front end, need to validate whether that user has premium user or like subscription user or not. Based on that, whether the subscription user, that service is enabled or not for that user. If it is enabled, we can able to give that service, right? I think it is a normal scenario only.
It's understandable.
Yeah.
I can.
Front end side, Manas, any
Clear.
and Naveen, Subhash, you are any questions on this front end side request things, all of those things?
Yes, I like we need to maintain the same keys
Yes.
based on the payment gateway that we are using. This is fixed.
Whatever
Yes.
the payment gateway needs the
Mhm.
properties, that properties only need to provide their nomenclature. But
Yeah, yeah.
whatever the our need purpose, we define the some other properties, right? For
Mhm.
our tracking purpose, we have a user ID different way, because of in our old schema we are
Mhm.
maintained user ID is a different manner, I think.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that details we can maintain our own properties.
Yeah, I
We
will
can
make that one and I'll map those to these keys.
yes, you
Yes.
you can map it, or you can collect it this API. We can able to provide any like uh, any properties here, right? Through
Mhm.
that you can ask to you can define it, Naveen.
Yes, yes. Got it, got it.
Only need whatever the payment gateway, we can't able to do anything
Mhm.
because of we are not implemented, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because of the SDK which they have already implemented, we need to follow the same schema.
Yes.
Okay, Sai.
And return URL, it is optional.
Mm-hmm.
We just for tracking purpose we need to put that thing, because of in front end side we have redirected things, all things are handled here.
Yes, got it.
Yeah. Is there any questions from front end side, like front end side code, I mean front end side code?
No, sorry. I'm having one basic question like, see, if a user, two users for the same QR, if we done the payment, then how can we?
Same QR, that will be, if I'll see in 1 minute, I'll show the
Okay.
plan. See, in order is, whenever the order is created,
Okay.
initially it is active state, right?
Yes, yes.
We can able to do the duplicate payments,
Mm-hmm.
but we need to handle that thing in here. Backend side, it is the status of paid or active, right?
Okay, okay.
Based on that, if it is already paid, we
Mm-hmm.
need to do another
Okay.
another payment, whatever it's done. We need to track that in DB. It is accepting the payment anyway,
Mm-hmm.
because of front end don't know the don't know the order details, right?
Yes, yes.
That's what it will accept the things, but after in backend we need to handle through the status.
Sure, Sai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will show that thing in where we need to handle those things. I will
Okay.
show in the API side.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Sai.
Yeah. Can I go to explain backend side?
I think
Yeah.
regarding your question, Subhash, if once a payment is successful for a unique QR code, it will not accept further.
Okay, here.
Yeah, let's explore that. But that's a good.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, actually, I already covered that thing, GR. That's why I am confidently told it will
Okay.
be recorded in a panel, and we are already shown that verify. We are already one more API, right? Verify payment.
Yeah.
Through that, we are getting that thing, whether that order is paid or not, it is still an active or not. Based on that, we can handle those scenarios completely from actually everything controlled through back end, because why, it is a very high security issue. We can able to do the front end side also, but it expose the API keys, like secret keys that will be violated to the security. So that's what we it is a general practice to everywhere. So I'm also same thing try to mimic. Can I go to backend side code?
Yes, fine.
Yes, I.
See, in backend we need one SDK package. This is the Cacheify PG. This is the package we need to install. And in demo app I used TypeScript, but in I think I don't know exactly, but I think in our scenario we maintain the JavaScript. Can you confirm me?
Yes, we are
Yeah.
using Java.
So everything is same, Naveen and Subhash. Just we need to remove these things. Types only you can remove it. Remaining all of things are same.
Okay.
So create a one service, or you are already maintaining any service, you can use that thing.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a simple thing, server.js. It is already, maybe you're already set up this thing.
Yeah.
This is allowed origins. This is
Mm-hmm.
the common thing to any node based application, right?
Yes.
And all routes I am handled in a routes.ts file.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show the route.ts file. In route.ts, whatever the in front end side I shown, right? Create payment and verify payment.
Mm-hmm.
These the APIs.
Since you have implemented, one is create one and verify payment.
One is create order, and another one is verify the order.
Mm-hmm.
I won't in here in create. I will show the in create payment payload. It will come in payload, right? I will show the payload thing in a gateway. Yeah. Create payment request. Create payment request. See, in my demo scenario, I'll only need this thing, right? Whatever the
Yes.
whatever the
Payload.
payload.
Payment request.
Yeah. Majorly this thing is main, Naveen and Subhash. Order currency should be INR only.
Mm-hmm.
If you should doing any other dollar symbol or any rupee symbol, I like I say, like it should be a this name creature only, INR.
Yes, because we are using the Indian payment gateway function, so that maintain
Yes,
this.
right, Naveen.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the whatever the payment gateway need, that the things only I provided. It is a cart items, like whatever the items, our scenario plans,
Yes.
we can able to modify this thing. It will be need to any array or string, you can plan it.
Okay.
Whatever the object is, it is getting, I
Yeah.
will just uh, like sanitize that through the helping methods. Here is the
Mm.
validate order. I created the one helping method to verify the order amount, order currency, order details are populated or not, or provided the user or not. I'll check it in that.
Okay, you have developed this a helper function to validate.
Yeah, it is a helper function. It is a sanity purpose only. There is no logic to the related to the payment.
Okay, okay, got it.
Order validation. If it is a valid order,
Mm-hmm.
then like here it is a not valid order. I will just throw the
Throw
this
the
thing.
error.
This is you already know very well. Like
Mm.
in day-to-day scenario, you handle a lot of those things.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, you are easily understand this
Yeah,
thing.
until unless it is a valid payload, then only it will
Yeah,
accept.
yes. After
Yes.
see, it is a valid order, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Then it will be do the order helper
Mhm.
function. I'll also done. I'll try to make the uh, as simple as to understand this thing.
Mm.
Everything I'll created the helper functions.
Yes, I can see
So
it.
result and do order, and whatever the client provide the details, I'll throw that thing into do order. I'll in do order, here is the magic is happen.
Mm-hmm.
See here I define the one payment gateway variable with the help of .env files.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know we are maintaining the .envs or not in
We are maintaining the .env file where we can add those secret keys.
yes, nice.
Yeah.
Then you can use directly these things, or
Mhm.
else you can put that security keys and all of those things in anywhere, like in AWS SSM params we have.
Yeah, we have changed in.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we are changed. Okay, okay, but you understood right
Yeah,
what
I
I am
know this
doing here.
about this one.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I just populate the secrets
Mm-hmm.
in a particular protected place,
Yes, yes.
and based on my requisition, I'll get the environments and all of those things to initiate the order, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, that's the thing. The if it is a test mode,
Mm-hmm.
it is a sandbox environment hit,
Okay.
and if it is a production mode, it will hit the production
Mm-hmm.
environment. That's thing configured through the payment gateway SDK. This
Okay.
is the cache free, and cache free initially we are installed the SDK, right?
Yes, yes.
Through the SDK we can configure the payment gateway session.
Mm-hmm.
This is backend session, Naveen.
Yes, yes. I
It
got.
will be alive still whenever the app is crashed. That time only it will be closed. Until
Mm-hmm.
unless it will be active and alive.
Okay.
So we have a PG create order method they are provided. We are
That
not.
is that is from SDK, right?
Yes, this is from SDK. We are
Mm-hmm.
not implement anything in this.
Mm-hmm.
If we
Yes.
need to implement anything in top of this creation, we know the bind method, right?
Mm.
We can able to do that bind thing different, but we don't know the right whether entire PG creation order what will be the do that payment gateway guy, right? If we need any customizations, like our scenario, we are not customized any properties, order amount, order currency, order details. If we need to customize these things, we need to like rewrite or re-engineering, do the re-engineering this method.
Mm-hmm.
But we are not, we don't need that
Yeah.
thing, right?
You're suggesting us to use the existing functionalities,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
okay.
We can able to do the all whatever the need the existing functionalities.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
It will give the response, Naveen.
Mm-hmm.
It will interact with the payment gateway by through using the these keys.
Okay. What
Product.
this the PZ? Can you scroll down? Oh, PZ create generate or what?
This
This.
one
Uh,
payment gateway create order, right? This one, this full form is that
mm-hmm.
thing. It will be initially create the order
Okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
and get the and this will give the whatever the configuration like amount, order, and everything mentioned, that thing here populated, and that status will be active initial, and give me back to the order ID
Mm-hmm.
and session ID for
Okay,
this
all these details will get in that response, right?
this response. I will show the response also. I will make
Okay.
it in after this explanation. I will we will do the one more thing and with the console logs.
Okay, sure.
Then we will able to track these things. I will
Mm-hmm.
show that things also.
Okay, sir.
We will assign that response to the data
Data.
and return to the front end.
Mm-hmm.
So sorry, not front end. Sorry. Return to the create payment route. It will
Mm-hmm.
be stored in a result. Uh, by using this, we need to, it is a session created or not, all of those things tested. If it is a active session, that means we are created order, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to capture that data into DB.
Okay.
Save, I just commented out because of I am not implemented DB side, because of it will be like creating a confuse to you, because of you are already set up a different schema, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know you are created schema
I'll
for payments or
just
not.
thing like whatever we are getting from that PG generator, we need to save all those details in the DB,
Yes.
but we can use them in the next one, like
Next,
for the value
whenever we verify the payment, right?
of the payment.
That
Yeah.
time we need to get and updated with that. And in
Yes.
future, whatever the dependent APIs, like whether the user is a registered user or not,
Mm-hmm.
that time we use the same collection.
Okay.
See, after that we will provide the session ID. See, session ID to the front end.
Okay.
After front end done all the payment, so whatever the pop-up I shown, right, initially,
Mm-hmm.
they done the payment and all of those things, they call verify payment with the user ID,
Okay.
and this is the common thing. And through, I'll just, for simulating purpose, I'll just give the order ID. Before that, here see, through the user ID we need to get the details, order details, whatever the stored in previously, that, and get to the order ID from that table, that collection, and assign to the one variable, and ask to payment gateway SDK give me that order details, because of in front end side they are done the payment, so the status will be changed to paid, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, in fetch order, I'll show it. What PG fetch order? It is a simple function they are given. We can provide the order ID. They will give the data related to the order.
Okay.
See here, after fetching, I am checking the get order details from gateway.
Mm-hmm.
See, the gateway is given the order details, right? If it
Okay.
is order details we have, we need to check whether the order is
It's properly.
properly or not, and the status is paid or
Oh.
active or anything.
Mm-hmm.
It should be in a paid
Mm-hmm.
and respond to the payment status. And before that, we need to update that paid status to the DB, right?
Yes. Yes. I don't think we can update here. Like we can update that DB status in the verify thing, right?
Yes, Navin, because verify, this is the verify payment, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Whenever we hit the verify payment, we fetch
Did
the
that-
order details through the user ID
Okay.
from
Yeah.
previous collection. Through the order
Mm-hmm.
ID, we fetch the order details. In order
Mm-hmm.
details, we have the we have the status, whether it is
Mm-hmm.
active or paid. If we need to update that in our collection.
Okay.
this previous collection.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we just give me to the front end.
Intent.
This is done. This
Yeah.
is the major payment gateway integration, Naveen.
Mm-hmm.
In this, any doubts, Naveen?
No, it is clear.
And thank you. Subhash, you have any doubts on this?
No, Sai.
GR and Sai Kiran? Hello? Is there GR or Sai
Yeah.
Kiran is there?
Yes, I.
Yeah, GR, is it clear from for payment to
Yeah.
APIs?
Guys, do you guys have any doubts as such? Is everything clear?
Everything is clear, right?
Yeah.
Clear.
So thank you, Naveen. Thank you for updating.
Mhm.
After that, this is the general scenarios. We sanitize, we are checking these dependent APIs, right? Whatever whenever we, for example, Gangasai initially do the payment and select a basic plan, right?
Mm.
After some days, I logged out and I'll clear the entire thing and I logged in somewhere else. I need a subscription details, right? Present login session, we don't have any subscription details.
Yes.
So we need to provide that subscription details.
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't give the any logic here because of it is completely, it is just a
Like
get
get
API. Get
yeah.
API.
Yeah.
We whatever the collection is previously we
Stored.
created.
We need to keep the data from there.
Yeah, fetch data and serve to the
Front end, guys.
client. So based on that, they are do everything.
Yes.
And
Yes.
also one more get subscription service, like it is a middleware actually.
Okay.
For example, like what? Okay, we'll take example JD parser.
Mm-hmm.
JD parser service only provided whoever the premium subscribers is needed.
Mm-hmm.
Then those people only can have to access the JD parser service.
Mm-hmm.
But some client side some issues are any clever guy is taken from the API and trying to hit that right. That time we need to check, right, whether that user is subscribed user or not. See here I'm doing the check subscription status before
Okay.
I'm giving the service.
Mm-hmm.
Middleware, this is the middleware, and get that whatever the data is coming, and if he is an active subscribed user,
Mm-hmm.
and also need to check whether that subscription included this service or not.
Okay.
Like a basic user don't have the right to get this service, but
Mm-hmm.
premium user have the able to get the service, right?
Yes.
Based on these conditions, just if else conditions, and get the details from that whatever the services need and provided to the front end guy.
Okay.
These should be need to develop these two.
Yeah. Okay. We can develop
Yeah.
those things.
From until this, any doubts or any questions?
No, Sai.
Yeah.
We are good.
Can I go to next step?
Yes.
I'll covered with the code session and all of those things, and
Mm-hmm.
this cache free
Yeah.
API ID and secret ID environment. This one is also done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this package we need to, and in this Naveen, actually I configured the debug file also, payment gateway test. If you need to test anything, you can debug, we can enable debug mode, right? You can separately run this thing and run the debug button. It will be go to debug mode.
Okay.
You can track the each one. In debug mode, you are already aware, right? Variables, watch, and cloud stack and everything. It will be taken more time, and but it is a very common practice to do in a backend side and front end side. So I'm not covering that thing, but uh, I'll create the uh, uh, scenario, debugging scenario. This is the payment gateway test scenario. You can just run this
Okay.
and put it the any debug points. You like we can able to put the debug points, right?
Yes,
These
yes.
red dots.
Mm-hmm.
We can put this, and whenever we get the request, and we can hover on that what the request is coming, and step by step we can able to do. I will just one time run. I'll not go in detail, but I'll
Yeah.
just show what. See, the debugger is attached, right? This will be give the controls. See this step over, step into, step out, these things. I'll just put the three debugging points, right? Whenever we check the subscription status, it will be whenever it is triggered, that will it will stop the control here. This is common. Sorry for like I'm expecting explaining a lot more.
No,
It
that's
is
fine.
it is already aware every developer, but I just for my confirmation, I'll just telling again.
Okay, Sai.
Yeah, you can that thing also I covered. You can explore that thing. And one more last thing is need to do in future. For now, we don't need these things. Webhooks. You already aware of this that
Yeah, I
webhooks.
have gone through that cache free. Like they have also
Yeah.
built the documentation for webhooks, like the action buttons. Like
Yes, yes. No. Action buttons are different, Naveen. Webhooks are like we can configure, like notifying. We can put the notify URLs. It will automatically trigger the our URLs and tell me the status of webhook. What webhook? We have a lot of webhooks. Like
yes, we we can use those for the payments, like the notifications, like whether the payment is successful or not. With the help of a webhook, we can track those things.
yeah, yes, right, Naveen. We can able to create for that webhook related routes. It will be based on the use case.
Yes.
In future, I don't know. We have a lot of scenarios will be coming. Based on that, we can able to everything. Each step we can able to attach the webhooks here. Whatever the panel should be do, everything like refund thing, partial refund thing, and these statistics, whatever the statistics we are coming in this. Without
Okay.
opening this thing, we can able to get the
Data.
these data
Display
also,
those dashboards over there.
dashboard data, and without saving our local,
Yes, yes.
we
Yeah.
can track the live data through the webhooks. We can define the lot of APIs. Maybe it will around 10 to 15 APIs.
Okay.
That I saw that scenarios in different other
Use case.
like in e-commerce site. I saw that thing. Because of it is a large platform, we need a refunds, partial refunds, and also tracking data, and everything we need right there. So that things they we can able to use webhooks. We can able to control the things.
Mm.
I will show the payloads and all of those things, right? From until, is there any doubts?
No, no, sorry.
No, sorry.
Manas, you have any doubts?
No.
So I am just creating like I'll stop the debugger. I'll run the normal script. See, majorly I will do the payment through the API. See, Naveen and Manas. Hello.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Yeah, Manas, this is the payload should we need to send to the backend.
Mhm.
Naveen, you can add any another required things. You can populate and everything. Whatever the modifications is needed, you can do it.
Mm-hmm.
And I will just mimic that thing. Whatever the front end order creation and all those things, I'll just hit that API. Create payment request. I will go to one more time and check what are the logs we are configured. One, order validation. Another one, order creation result. Another one, and in verify it is a user ID getting or not. After that, order. I will because of I am here using the dummy order details because I am not saved any data in a collection, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm mimicking that thing with the dummy
Static.
order.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dummy order. I will creating order. See, payment session ID. Manas, this will be coming from the back end side, right? Through
Okay.
this is the payload and this is the response.
Mhm.
Naveen, make sure you won't give any other data rather than the payment session ID.
Yes, you mean those keys
Yeah, those
protected.
keys, even order ID also don't give because of we can able to uh, we can able to uh, do some XSS attacks through the order ID. I'll already tried those things. It will definitely able to access through order ID also
Mm-hmm. Okay.
platform. So that's what we should need to give only session ID. This is a very
Mm-hmm.
high security encoded ID.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what front end we need to give this only.
Okay, sorry.
After that, payment done by the user, and after they will verify that payment and give the user ID. User ID is
Mm.
12. Before that, I will show the logs, whatever the logs we are configured. Like, see, first what log it is triggered. See, first validation, order validation. First, whatever the sanity is doing, and
Mm.
all the required fields is see here validation. It is a
Mm-hmm.
helper function and give the sanity result. If it is null, it is all is create. After that, API through SDK we are created order, right?
Mm-hmm.
These the thing the SDK will give entire thing.
Okay.
See here we have a payment session ID. This
Mm-hmm.
is only we need to give, and order
Mm-hmm.
status also we have, right?
Yes.
Order ID, order meta, whatever the data we need to store in our DB, we can just collect these things and store it.
Mm-hmm.
After that, by using the user ID, see, sorry, see here I am customer ID. In my scenario, I am maintaining as a customer ID. But in
Mm.
our hiring good scenario, we have a user ID. Through
Yes,
user
yes.
ID, we are created
Mm.
and maintain. We don't need to maintain the payment session ID, but still we can maybe it. For now, I don't know the exact user case. One apart from the front end thing,
Mm-hmm.
we for safe side we can store this thing also.
Session ID as well. Mm.
Yeah, yes. This is my suggestion only, but you can like validate
This
if it is needed to store or not.
required.
You can
Mm.
decide, Naveen or
Mm-hmm.
Subhash. Any backend guy can whoever working on this, they will decide it.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, in create payment we have clear sign, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Next, I will go to the verify payment. Verify payment, we in front end we have only user ID, so we
Mhm.
can hit that thing. See, this is the payload. We will get back to the verify payment. Everything status will be paid. Actually, we don't need to give to the front end these entire data, but
Mhm.
I'll just for demo purpose I'll put the entire object to the this thing, but we don't need to provide anything.
Okay.
For we need this verify payment, we need only update to the order status from backend side, our collection.
Mm.
So don't need to give anything to the user.
Yes.
He and this is the logs verification payment ID, user ID. We got user ID. Through user ID we will get the order details, and through order details we can able to get the order status from gateway and serve to that like activating the subscriptions.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is the entire
The
thing.
one question, like
Yeah, Naveen.
here, go to the postman.
Yeah,
See, we are verifying only using the user ID, right?
yes,
Like, see, if the user exists also, if we close something in the middle,
yes.
like, will that transaction be successful or like will it be?
No, if it will be cancelled.
Mhm. Like by default, user ID will get
Yes,
while creating that one.
yes.
Like, there
In
is no any key to verify it.
no, in front end side we have a session, right? From through session the panel is interacted,
Okay.
but in backend side we need to use the webhooks.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can able to track that what are the pop-up we are showing, right?
Okay.
We can trigger the that kind of running payment session,
Mm-hmm.
and doing initiated payment session and
Okay.
started payment in phone pay or any UPI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those real time data that is coming through the this webhooks.
Okay, sorry.
We need to do that APIs if we need.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly we don't need that level of things for
Mm-hmm.
now.
Okay.
For now, at least in couple of months we don't need, I think.
Okay.
We don't need to implement webhooks things.
Mm-hmm.
As whatever the thing I explained, every it is same to the razor pay.
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
Almost it is similar for any other subscription.
Everything is same, Naveen. Not similar. I saw you won't believe the guys really copying the entire thing.
Mm-hmm.
Every payment gateway I saw Just Pay, I saw Razor Pay.
Okay.
Only one payment gateway I can't able to check. That is the new one, Zoho Payments. That is allowing only whoever the US customer, they will only able to get the service.
Mm-hmm.
Zoho Payments. Remaining everything, I'll explore everything, Naveen. Actually, Razorpay and everything. Razorpay, I am a very old customer to Razorpay. They are
Mm-hmm.
already given the same things, same everything. Only nomenclature will be different.
Okay.
Everything is same developer mode and webhooks, APIs, SDKs. Everything is the same. Only
Mm-hmm.
the property names is nomenclature is different.
Okay, Sai.
Yeah, transactions. I will show the orders. It is a very old application actually. See, it is activated 2021. Yeah, similar, same thing. These the orders and everything you already
Mhm.
see in the. But UI wise, services wise, and everything, Cashify is the best UI and best navigation and best service support. I don't see this kind of clear service in another payment gateway. Even like phone pay also have the payment gateway, that is also not provide this much of clearance.
Okay, but based on the security wise, which one is better? What do you?
Everyone is better, everyone is best, but like downtimes, see, this is the major issue, right? In payment gateway,
Okay.
only Cashify provide the downtimes alerts, upcoming scheduled downtimes, active downtimes, and everything provide Cashify only, and JustPay also provided, but more than there is I'll don't saw the any downtimes till now.
Mm-hmm.
Latency is very zero, Naveen. In Cashify, I noticed it is very quick as possible as,
Okay.
because of it is established only in India, right? We have in India we have a less customers.
Customers.
That's what, and this is a new platform.
Okay.
Cashify, JustPay is the new, this year only they launched, I
Mm-hmm.
think. And Zoho also new player to the this market. In
Mm-hmm.
1 month back only they launched, but still the services are not started in India.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe in some months after, maybe they started in India, we can able to. And one more thing I noticed, whatever the payments like commission things,
Okay.
commission things are the same they are all charged same thing, credit card 0.2% and all of those things.
Mm-hmm.
You can explore it payment
We'll,
page,
we'll
Naveen.
explore before integrating this.
Yeah, yeah,
Course. Yeah.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah. Is there any doubts, team?
No.
Sai, you had provided the document, right? I mean, you have documented everything.
Yeah, I will provide it.
Yeah, I mean, Sai, is it possible to provide these APIs in the document as well?
Yes, Subhash. Actually, this is the architecture document and architecture workflow,
Okay.
and I will provide the whatever the APIs, payload, and everything. I will export to you. I will export and give it to a team.
Sure,
You
Sai.
can
Thank you.
directly import to your like
Yeah, Postman.
Postman or
Yeah.
any
Colors.
testing API testing. It is supported to anything request
Yes. Oh,
and a lot of things are there. We can use that thing.
sure,
And
Sai.
sorry,
Thank you.
one thing I missed out. I configured the scripts, running scripts here. You guys already know about that things, but still I need. It is a responsible to me, right? This is the scripts, dev and prod, and Naveen. For now, I'll provide the my API keys only. You need to whenever the GR or Psychiran give the company's secret keys and app ID, you can just replace it.
Yeah.
Mostly I will remove my production things.
Better give those test ones.
Yeah, I'll give the test ones only because of uh, dummy. Any accidents or accidental requests also prevented. Yeah, that's the things. In front end side also same npm run dev, and npm run qa, npm run prod.
Sure.
Yeah. Is there any questions to ask?
No, no.
No,
Clear.
sorry, it's very clear.
Yeah, thank you, team.
Yeah,
After this, I will give it the all resources. What are the high level architecture documentation, high level this thing, this entire thing,
Yeah.
and front end, back end code with the API test cases.
Sure.
I think I'll create the scripts or not. Okay. For the chart controller, these are, yeah. Okay. One thing I missed out, Naveen, for API, I am not covered the API testing.
Mm-hmm.
For this the API testing test cases, I
Yeah.
am not written.
I'll add those.
Yeah,
Those.
this, yeah. If we need that thing, can you give me the 10 minutes of time? I will make sure to give the test cases scripts also.
Okay. If you want, you can add it, or else I can. include it.
Actually, don't need, but if you want to scripts, I will provide it.
Okay, then add those scripts. Then.
Yeah, okay, Navi.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. GR and Saikiran, is there any questions from your side?
This is good. I mean, let's have that document prepared and shared in a Google Doc or something like that. That would be helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, GR. I will provide it. Entire documentation.
Cool. Yeah.
Documentations and resources and everything. GR, can you do it that thing, whatever the panel thing, account creation, cache free, and
Yeah.
as soon as possible we need to do, because of it will take, sometimes it will take 1 day also. In
Okay.
my maybe I am lucky. whenever I whenever I created that time, it will take only 20 minutes to active the account.
Can you just show what is the exact process so that
Yeah, it is like a normal account creation process only, GR.
just we need to go to the cache free and free and
1 minute,
create.
I will try to create new one.
Just
Sign
show.
up, just going to sign up and continue with the Gmail, or if you need to, I
You
will
are showing. Are you sharing?
this one. Yes.
No, screen is not shared.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, GR.
It's okay.
Is it visible,
Yeah.
GR? Yeah, we can go to sign up page.
Okay.
Any Razorpay also same.
Right.
And any other payment gateways also same. We can use the sign up with Google, or through
Okay.
that thing. I will go with the sign up with Google.
Mhm.
This is already I have with one business, that is a Codetech dummy thing I created, and provide the business PAN card.
Okay.
And that should be mandatory, GR. Business
Okay.
PAN card should be mandatory, and business details also should be mandatory.
Okay. Right.
I'll go through the new account, but I don't have the new
Oh, okay.
things. But
Fine then. It's a standard process only, you mean to say.
yeah, yes, it's
Okay,
a very
perfect.
standard process. Only need is that whatever the business details,
Hmm.
I will like a company name.
Mhm.
If we have a company registration documents, company PAN card, business PAN card,
Okay.
that should be need.
Okay.
That the only major dependency.
Okay.
Then only they give the access to the payment gateway and payment services. Razorpay and Cash Free and JustPay also same.
Oh, great. Cool. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, if you have any doubt, and whenever you try to create a new account,
Yeah.
you
Basically,
can
will be
you can just call me anytime. I will definitely connect, and I will
assistant.
uh,
Help. Yeah.
yeah, yes, GR.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, GR.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you, team. If I forgot to miss anything in future, if we have any doubt, you can also call me anytime.
Okay, Sai.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay. Sai,
Thank you, Sai.
can we stay? I have another question.
yeah.
For
Tell
not
me
not this payment method.
Some other.
Not
some
like
other
there.
thing. Okay, Mana.
Some,
So
You guys can connect.
rest of the persons, can you
Yeah.
drop and we will continue.
Mhm.
Uh, Before that, I'll stop the recording. I'll also share the session video, GR.